In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change alarm sound on iPhone. To change alarm sound on iPhone, it's very simple and basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to locate the clock icon, the clock app. So once you locate the clock app, I want you to tap on it. So let's tap on it on here. So once you tap on the clock app, it's going to display all your alarm that you have for you. So what I just wanted to do here, I wanted to check the top left corner. You are going to see edit over there. So I want you to tap on that edit. So once you tap on the edit, I want you to tap on the alarm you want to change the sound. So once you tap on the alarm, it's going to take you to this page. So on this page, you just want to check very well. You're going to see where it says sound. You just want to tap on that sound. So once you tap on that sound, if you check here, you just want to scroll down. If you scroll down, you can see we have a bunch of songs here that you can use. So you just want to select the song that you want to use here. And if you do not want to use any song, you just want to select none at the bottom. You can see where it says none. Just want to select none. And once you are done with, just want to scroll up. And just want to go back. Once you go back, I want you to check the top right corner. You're going to see save over there. You just want to tap on that save, and the song you just chose will be saved to that alarm successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually change the sound for your alarm on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.